Welcome back to the Sons of the Forest. The story continues.
Echo.
There is no echo. Quit it. And we're
There's
back.
an echo. There's an echo on my side.
It sounds like a personal problem.
No, not unless I make it loud enough.
I still laugh that we have almost everything back, except for you don't have a shotgun now for some reason.
It can't come. It doesn't know how doors work.
There's a door? Oh, it's one of those ones that's like two people fused together.
Yeah. Also, did you already start recording?
Yeah, I said it already.
Okay.
You haven't noticed?
I noticed.
Yeah, I'm just gonna walk away. You deal with that. It's stuck anyways. I haven't cleared in here yet. I need more cloth.
Well then.
Let me guess, he can't tase through the door? This door is open if we just want to go out. Come behind him.
Yeah, I think it'll be fine.
You just poking him to death?
I killed. No, I didn't.
Of course, as soon as I start recording, my phone goes off.
Yeah. Yeah.
Deal with it. That sounds like a personal problem for you.
Excuse you.
This place has another one of those big glass. You're still fighting that thing?
Yes. No.
Look outside the window.
Do I want to?
You didn't see it?
No.
One of those crawling guys that you just killed was crawling down the glass.
I did not see it. Oh, there it is.
Yeah. They're out there.
Does that mean they're part Gecko?
Maybe.
Or does that mean they're part Spider-Man? Because Spider-Man can actually climb the
Oh my
glass.
gosh. There wasn't anything in this room.
Or was there?
I mean, I ran around. I literally didn't even find any coins. Okay, these stairs don't really work very well.
No, they did not. I'm jumping.
I was trying. It didn't help much. Yeah. God.
I see flamingos. I see blood.
A lot of blood. Anything in that? Oh my god, phone. Shut up.
No.
I'll go all day and that thing will never go off. The moment I'm doing something that I'm recording or whatever, it just doesn't stop.
No, nothing. You missed me call, by the way.
I went over there and got it already.
No, you missed me call.
No, I got it already. There is money all over the floor. They had a money bash. Oh. Desire.
Remember, I can't read it. It's all on you.
I
Glad.
read it. It's basically these rich fucks complaining about shit. Hey, it looks like he had a good party.
Oh, look, more money.
I mean, we might leave here billionaires. Who knows? We just have to survive. How much can you fit in your pocket?
More big legs.
I ate most
And
of it.
organs.
A lot of stuff. Yay, coins!
Let's have a good day.
There's a such thing as a good day?
According to sign, there is. That's what I'm curious about something.
Okay, so there's more than one key card door here. There's one just outside this room. There's another one in this room as well. There's this one too. And
there's also this whole area right here.
Yeah.
Which I have a feeling there's going to be...
something in here?
Most definitely.
Oh my, that's a lot of dead bodies. Most of these are empty right up to that one.
Yeah, there's a key card.
Oh, that's probably to that door over there. Looks like they were trying to barricade to keep something in, you know, from getting in here.
Nope, still can't read it.
Come on, read it. They apparently found the golf clubs after going through the whole facility and couldn't find the golf balls. So, that's literally what it says. After going through the entire facility, but unfortunately we couldn't find the golf balls, still eluding us.
Admittedly, that is actually pretty funny.
Alright, well we got 2 doors to choose from here.
No, don't. We only have... Like, I probably don't have...
There's one in front of me, and then there's the other key door.
Yeah, I don't have Virginia's card anymore.
How the hell... Oh, God, this thing's so bugged after you died out of the last one.
So we would go and try this one, I guess.
I mean, I have Virginia's card still, but either way, we gotta go through all of them. Which one do you want to go through first?
We'll go with this one first.
That one? Alright. I don't know if one's a dead end or not, or who knows.
That is disgusting.
What'd you find?
Eating ramen. No, ramen is fine. Ramen is delicious. No, how the character eats ramen is disgusting.
The crunchy?
Crunchy.
I mean, you can't make it any other way. We don't have boiling water. At least not in your inventory, you don't. Poke.
Ah, well, still fresh. Its heart still beating. Crunchy. Oh, hey, this one actually had hair.
Doesn't have hair in my screen. Still looks bald. What the hell happened here?
I'm assuming all the dead bodies are the ones that couldn't survive the transformation.
Who knows? Oh my, it's back to being dark. I don't have many batteries. I've been turning my flashlight off.
It is super dark. I'm not seeing anything moving, at least.
I mean, they don't move much until you get near them. Man, they got a lot of money just lying around.
Yeah, Lore.
Lore?
Lore.
Oh god, I can't do it with the flashlight. Here's another one, Artifact 2. So they found another artifact.
Well.
Oh, someone come out of the back room?
Hey, Dad.
Need my spear. God damn it, I can't pick the spear up.
Sure you can.
Okay, thank God. It wasn't letting me do it the moment you started the animation. I'm like, oh God, please tell me I don't have to make another one.
Yes.
What's over here? There's another door over here, too. So there's where that thing came from, and then there's this door.
I have no explosives.
I'm gonna go see where that thing came from.
Nice.
There's a movie theater back here.
Let me take care of the babies real quick.
Looks like a dead end, but there's like 2 babies in here.
Yeah. I took care of those babies. I'll come back right now.
Yeah, I think we'll be going that way next. But ow! Come here, you little bastard! Quit rolling away. Soda. Cereal. Oh, we now have a chainsaw.
What?
There's a chainsaw.
That's...
I mean, I'm not surprised. It was in the first game.
No, I'm not surprised either, but at the same time, it's an odd place for it.
I mean, stuck in someone's chest?
In a movie theater.
I mean, it could be anywhere. We've literally found guns just in random places, too. Look, I have full energy because I've drank all of the energy drinks that were on the floor.
I have chainsaw.
If I remember right, it sucked in the first game, killing. The fact that it's not making noise tells me you probably still need gas for it.
No, it takes batteries.
Oh, God. Yeah, I'm definitely not pulling that out. I don't need... Oh, I just realized my flashlight ain't on because I don't have any more batteries.
Oh.
Making me think that this is out and we should have went to that other door to see what was behind it. What do you think?
Yeah, might as well.
Do that other door?
Yeah.
I don't know. This looks like out to me.
Especially since it went blue.
I don't think it went blue. I have this flashlight out.
No, it went blue.
Oh.
Actually, not the flashlight. The lighter turned it purple.
I don't know. I don't have a flashlight right now. Unfortunately.
Make a torch.
Yeah, that ain't much better.
No, it really isn't.
Especially when we're in lit rooms 90% of the time right now.
Right. As I see pitch black darkness in front of me.
Well, we should have went in here. It's just a storeroom. It's a stuff room. So I'm glad we turned around. Oh, there's a shotgun rail collected. I wonder if that means you can do 2 attachments if you had both rails. Last Will and Testament of Virginia. Oh dear God, she is she's loaded.
Somehow I'm not surprised.
That's a big number. Ooh.
Where'd you find the thing?
It's on one of the fucking tables. Why do you care? You can't read it anyways.
No, I mean the rail.
It was just on the table. Right in front of you.
It's not there on my screen.
Probably because you've already picked it up and you can only do one.
Which means that your whole statement about being able to attach 2 attachments is false.
Yeah, probably. That was an idea. It was just sitting right here.
I don't got it.
Boo.
Yeah, that was just glitching out for me, not showing it.
More than likely, it's probably because you already have it, maybe? I don't know. No, I don't care about the rail anyways. I can't even put any attachments on because I don't have attachments because everything's bugged. Yay!
That's not true. You have an attachment.
Not the one I want. The laser sight's literally pointless.
It's good for hip firing.
No.
This way.
Whee! Going on a trip in our favorite rocket ship.
No.
No?
No.
So which way? Right or left?
I'm sure one of these will actually this way.
Lead out and one's gonna lead to a dead end, probably?
Unlikely.
Or do they both lead to the same thing?
Yeah, it looks like they lead to the same thing.
Do they?
Yes. Adventure!
Get up here with that damn flashlight.
It's almost dead.
That's I have no batteries.
Which is weird because it just changed.
Anything down there?
Yes. Me.
I didn't want to jump into the darkness. I can't see with the flash with the lighter. So we didn't lose that much progress from your last DC.
I'm sure we'll get it eventually.
So, shotgun?
Yeah, wherever that was again. Wait, no, I remember where it was.
I think that one was... I think it's the one that's furthest away on our marker, right? Or is that the raft? I hear somebody. Oh.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure it's the farthest one.
Yeah, because it wasn't near a river. I think that other one's the one that's near our house. I think so that one is. I don't know. I hope so. I want my shotgun. And I also want to see if Virginia has hers. And see if it saved that, I guess. Get him!
Oh.
Oh, let's dig these.
Yes.
Grave Robin.
That's what I was about to say, actually.
I'd laugh if those guys are walking away like they just buried this. Two guys just wandered in behind him, dug it up immediately. Why is it not functioning? There it goes. Here, I'll throw the dirt over into your hole. We have company, don't we?
We have Kelvin.
There's several rope in mine. Some wire in that one.
And canned food. We will find a way to open those eventually.
I could open them with this damn pocket knife, the shovel, the axe. I mean, come on, really? What are you doing now?
Apparently digging no coins.
Yeah, you can just dig and you can get stones and coins. We found that out last time.
Coins. Okay.
Going on a trip. Nothing but a spot of grave robin to brighten your day.
Okay, we're going to be doing it again soon.
Yep, I'm following you. I'm not pulling the GPS out right now.
That's fine. How about it is what I mean?
Ooh, what are these?
Yellow things.
No, they're bad. Don't eat those.
What? Eat them?
I ate one. It was a bad move.
Eat them. Yes.
Where are we going? I take it you're hungry. Oh, there's a cannibal camp. Want to wipe it out?
Might as well.
I'm full health, full armor, so...
I'm not.
Oh, hey, look. Here's one of the tied up ones I was telling you. They tie up the other ones. I'm going to leave it for now.
Yeah.
Deal with her real quick. I got her. She is no problem at all. Here, take a body. How did you do a full 360 like that? Him having armor hurts. Come here, buddy. Another one. Big guy, big guy. Holy shit, big guy.
I don't like when he points at you like that.
Ow! I like turning him into a pincushion. I forgot all of my hotkeys from the last time we played. Hey, look, bro. Yeah, I picked one up. Oh, yeah, there's another one. Can you carry more than one of these? Yes, you can.
Yeah, I had like 3 at one point.
I didn't know that. I've always opened it and it was always only one left. They're not allowed to have a home. Oh, someone's crying. Are we the monsters here?
We already knew those.
Yeah. Why do they have a boat engine? And we can kill that one and skin it. I mean, if you headshot it, you could... Hold on. You headshot the damn thing. Nope, it goes through it.
That's dead.
Is it?
Yeah.
Nice.
I'm just that good.
Keep dreaming there, bud. There's still that little guy running around.
I think he's going off Kelvin.
Possibly.
Kelvin looks like he's running.
Probably. I'm gonna open my skin pouches.
Do that. Cut that.
God damn it, actually. Huh. It says I'm full, so I can't even open the skin pouch. I've never had that before. Oh, wire, that's what it was. I hate when I brain fart of what the hell am I missing to craft this?
It's okay. You do that fairly often.
Oh, I can't even make one, so I think I'm full. Alright.
Hey, can you see my marker now?
On the map, no. It gives... Oh, on the GPS now it gives it to me, but not on the mini-map.
That's weird.
I don't know, I did this last time. It broke.
Oh, it was us.
Oh, there's a dig spot straight ahead of us.
No. I'm going to do it right now.
Oh, I know that little island in the middle of that also has like 2 graves that have a bunch of cloth and some stuff in them.
Might have a bunch of cloth and all that in it.
Oh, I did last time. That's where I set up my single player, right there where you're standing. And then had a bridge to the island for the main house. I think the cannibal camp that we just wiped out was the one I wiped out in single player. They kept coming to my house.
This is very deep, by the way.
Oh, I know. It made it very difficult to build a bridge across. And also Kelvin got stuck down there. I said to reload the game and it fixed it, but also the cannibals kept falling in the water and drowning right there. Yeah, this is the spot I was telling you, like, this would be a nice spot for a house. If we get wiped out. I mean, that whole platform you're standing on is bigger than what we're using currently of our house.
Too small.
Here we are.
I almost smacked you.
I saw that. There we go.
This way.
We.
Got it. We do an underwater house.
I don't think you can. You literally can't build in the water. You can't even
Both units close enough. I'm sure you can find a way.
I tried. The only way you actually... I hate you, because there is one. From what I've experimented in single player, you can do a... Oh, hello. You can do the watchtower, like the custom build, already put together things.
Mm-hmm.
You can put that in the water. But nothing else so far will let you just place it in the water. What are we next to?
I see it.
Did we go in this already?
I don't know.
I thought the last thing we did, so I think we did do this already. This is where Virginia was stuck, right? Remember, she was stuck standing here?
No, she wasn't stuck standing here, but she was.
Yeah, we were digging right here, and then we realized we had to go down there. And I think I think that might be where we got the flashlight attached. We can go do it again. I don't care. Are we?
Yeah, no.
I was just murdering things. I don't know.
Yeah, you tend to do that a lot.
I don't remember. I'd like to get that flashlight attachment since I don't have it now. Oh, right. We're going in here and I still don't have a light.
It's okay. I'm sure you can find batteries in here somewhere.
I hope so. Oh, God, lag. Since I'm pretty sure we're probably coming up to the end of where the story has.
I know what you're talking about.
Funny part is, it's already open for me. It's not open for you, though.
Yeah, because this is also where we got the,
This was the second one we went to, so you went straight to the third one.
Mm-hmm.
So, yeah, technically you haven't been down here yet, because your save was before this.
Some.
Oh, the saves were so screwed up.
They are.
I mean, that's why I just save every chance I get. Apparently you didn't do that on that last one. This is where you get the crossbow.
Yeah.
And a lot of steak bites.
And Virginia's, key card.
The door's already open for me. It's kind of funny. Next time, if there's another key card door, let me just walk through it in front of you. It'd be funny. I bet I'd just walk right through it in your screen. Oh, a lot of babies. Those weren't there a second ago. I literally just watched those spawn. Look, the crossbow. Won't let me pick it up. No fair. Ow. Alright.
You know, I didn't notice last time.
What?
There's a dead body inside
Yeah,
things.
that was there last time. Stuck through with a bunch of arrows in it. So whoever was down here was just shooting everybody from the looks of it.
Virginia?
Could be. I don't know. It says her last will and testament, so I think they all think she's dead. I don't know what happened.
Death and destruction.
I mean, it's the forest. There always is. Mmm, Fruit Loops. Still trying to remember. I think where we got the flashlight was in a cave, and I don't remember which cave. Did you leave the water running again?
Excuse you. It was not me.
It's all your fault.
No.
Yeah.
No.
Yeah, you left the water running. Gosh.
You didn't. Yeah, it'd probably be a lot faster if we actually equipped the wetsuit.
Alright, yeah, we could have done that. I hate having to equip to unequip. I already hate that I have to unequip the fucking rebreather. Auto put it on me.
I just never got to take one off.
It bothers me having that in the corner of the screen after a while.
Artifact.
Slug ammo. That's it. I already got the key card and everything out of here, so I don't care. Next room.
Hold on.
No, not hold on. Unless you want steak bites, the next room is pretty pointless.
I said apply.
Yep, and you caused host not responding.
Give it a second. There we go.
Oh, I didn't see that last time. There was a
What?
person.
What?
There was a person in this room up here. Another person.
You went through a closed door.
Oh, I know. Because it's open for me. But yeah, I didn't see it last time. I think I don't know. It was over here. There was a person right here on this glass, and they like hit somebody, and then they turned around, saw, and jumped in the water. And it almost looked like the dude in the white suit. You know, that had knocked us out.
Hmm.
I didn't see that last time.
I didn't either.
I thought you were supposed to be the observant one.
Hey, I can actually read it now. I figured I knew it.
Setting it was.
Yeah. Still, oh, I can't carry more bacon bites.
Yeah, I've just been eating them because I've been full on them forever. Alright. Time to dive in the water?
Yeah.
Hey, guess what? Flippers.
Well,
Where?
where do you think?
I said where. I'm wearing it. Where? Jesus. English much? Oh dear
Jeez
God,
Christ,
it's
that's
dark.
faster.
Holy crap. Zoom zoom!
Seriously.
Da-na-na-na. I hate the fact we had to repeat all this, but it explains why you didn't have the shotgun, because we never even went to it at this point. Because you had me locked in the third bunker. Uh-oh. I hear that. Let me out of my inventory, please.
I shot him in the leg.
I was wondering why he's up here whimpering. I was actually confused. Okay. Now give me a second to remove this damn wetsuit, because I'm slow.
That's terrifying.
Want your arrow back? I'm skinning this guy.
I'm gonna add the flashlight attachment to this thing because it's fucking terrifying.
I mean, I wish I had a flashlight attachment, and I'd do that, and I'd have a flashlight. Oh, dear God.
Mm-hmm.
Nope, wrong button. This one. Have that. Nothing happened.
Yeah.
I can't see a goddamn thing.
Slide.
Cliff.
Slide.
Is this the one with the slide?
No.
Adventure time. Hello, bats. Goodbye, bats.
Bats. Well, so that definitely wasn't the one with the flashlight. I don't remember which one we went into that had the flashlight. I'm a little ticked about it.